Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your profile photo on WhatsApp Business. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. WhatsApp offers a number of features, some of which are nice and easy to find, while others require you to dive a little deeper into the messaging app. Even when you think you know everything there is to know about WhatsApp, the platform adds bunch of new features that you need to learn to get the most out of it. The messaging app allows you to hide your lesson, for example, react to message with emoji, and you can even change the wallpaper for each contact if you want to. Then you have feature like voice chat. This is designed to be a way to communicate with your voice within a WhatsApp group list, obtrusively and WhatsApp group calling. We've covered of our favorite WhatsApp tip and trick and spirit feature above, but here I will show you how to hide your profile picture on your WhatsApp business account. So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp business. Now you can just go to your profile, go to your settings by tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. Now you can just go to privacy. By default, your profile photo is set to everyone, so anyone on WhatsApp can see your profile, even if they don't save your number. Now, if you want to hide, you only want your contact on WhatsApp business who can see your profile. You can just choose on my contacts, or you can choose my contact accept. You can accept uh, people or nobody, so no one can see your profile photo on your WhatsApp business. I will just choose on my contact, so only my contact people will save my number and I save their number back. We can see my profile photo on WhatsApp business. So simple, right? So that is how to hide your profile photo on WhatsApp business. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.